Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an About Us page to Shopify. This page is an important part of your online store because it helps visitors understand who you are, what your business represents, and why they should trust your brand. Someone is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. Whether you are creating a new store or improving an existing one, the steps will be simple and beginner-friendly. So, with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Online Store. From the drop-down menu, click on Pages. This section contains the informational pages available on your website. In the top right corner of the screen, click the Add Page button. This will open up a fresh page. In the title field, type About Us. Using a clear and familiar title makes it easy for customers to understand what the page contains. Right below that, click inside the large content box. This is where you tell your brand story, share your mission, and explain what makes your product special. You can briefly describe why you started the business, the problem your products solve, and the values that guide your brand. For example, if you sell handmade products, you could explain how they are created, what materials you use, and why quality matters to you. A genuine story can make your business feel more personal and memorable. If you want to use Shopify's built-in AI tool to help write your story, click the sparkle icon inside the text formatting toolbar. Type in a few details about your brand and click Generate to get a professional description instantly. For a stronger result, include useful details such as your product category, target customers, business values, and preferred writing tone. Always review the generated description before publishing it. Make sure it accurately represents your business and sounds natural rather than generic. You can also break longer sections into short paragraphs so the page is easier to read on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you are happy with your text, look at the right side of the screen under Visibility. Make sure this is set to Visible. If the page is not set to visible, customers will not be able to access it on your live store. Now, click Save. To make sure your customers can actually find this new page, look at your left sidebar under Content and inside Menus. Click on your main menu or your footer menu. Adding the page to your main menu can give it more visibility, while placing it in the footer keeps it accessible without taking up space in your main navigation. Click Add Menu Item and click the Link field to select your newly created page under Pages. You can name the menu item About Us so visitors immediately know where the link will take them. Then, click Save. It is also a good idea to preview your online store after saving the menu. Click the About Us link and confirm that the page opens correctly, the formatting looks clean, and the content is easy to read on different screen sizes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add an About Us page to Shopify. You now have a dedicated page where customers can learn more about your story, your mission, and the people or purpose behind your business. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time!